Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday I'd like to do a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. Lately my roommate, he's been really infatuated with ChatGPT and other AI stuff, and convinced me to uh, sign up to play around with the AI stuff. And uh, and I asked it for a couple of recipes that falls in the keto eating plan, and it came up with a roast recipe. So it's interesting. Uh, I keep trying to make a roast where you can slice it, but whenever I make it, it kind of kind of crumbles apart when I try to cut it up. So maybe, but always I have always cooked it in the slow cooker. So maybe cooking it in the oven does something different for the meat to make it sliceable. Because I'll look online to see a picture whenever I see a beef roast online. It's all sliced up, but whenever I try to make it, it's all shredded. So uh, be interesting to try to make a sliceable roast. I don't know what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and get to the recipe. Alright, here's all what's in it. It's not a whole lot. Starting off, well, if the rest the ChatGPT said use 3 to 4 pounds of roast, but fortunately this one is only 2.85 pounds. I'm sure that's close enough to 3 to count. 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And that's all what's in it. Let's go ahead and get started. Got the oven preheating to 325, and this would kind of need 3 hands to film, but it says to use the oil to coat every side of the roast. So let me go ahead and get the oil covering the roast. Okay, got the meat all rubbed up. Good rub. Get that rub on the meat. Anyway, now I'll get in this bowl here. I'll put 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of the rosemary, and then 2 teaspoons of the thyme, and then 2 teaspoons of the salt. And then, interestingly, only 1 teaspoon of the pepper. So we'll go ahead and put that there. And I'll get a fork to mix that all up. Focus. And then now that I got all mixed in together, I'll go ahead and put that over the top of the meat and just get that covered, all the seasonings on each of the sides. I got it all seasoned up, and got some foil with some cooking spray on it, just to it didn't say to do that, but it seemed like a good idea. So I'll put it in the oven for 325 for 20 minutes per pound, and it was just under 3 pounds, so I'll go ahead and put that in there for an hour. And that's in the oven for an hour, so we'll measure the temperature, aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit anyway. Okay, so it's not quite up to temperature, so I'm going to put it back in the oven, 325 for another, say 10 minutes. Okay, that took another half hour, and I'm starting to wonder if the new thermometer is working right. But anyway, I'm going to cover it lightly with and tint it with loosely tint it with some foil, and let that set for another 15 minutes. Okay, now comes the moment of truth. I'm going to try slicing it, see if the meat will slice. Yep, it sliced. It was tough as hell, though. So I don't know if I just cooked it too long, or if it was just some tough meat. But it smells really good, and I'm sure it tastes really good. It's really good spice seasonings in there. But yeah, I look forward to making this again. Probably not very often because it's $20 piece of meat. But hopefully, when if it goes on sale again, I'll be taking advantage of this artificial intelligence flavored meat. And, I have a couple other recipes from that ChatGPT that I'm looking forward to taking advantage of, and like and subscribe and follow along to see any more recipes like that. And thanks for watching. Every Tuesday, I'd like to make a recipe for that falls in the keto eating plan. Check out blog links below, and have a nice day.